Okay, so another vintage light in our outdoor lantern series. So ayan, 'di ba, nakalagay na agad, retro lamp, as if naman hindi pa obvious. That's actually the main reason. Well, aside from the performance of course, kung bakit ko siya binili. Sobrang vibing nung itsura niya, outdoor na outdoor. Camping kung camping, ganyan-ganyan. Kumbaga vintage look talaga. And yes, mas aesthetic ito compared dun sa nauna. Ito yung tipong pag-unbox mo pa lang, mapapawaw ka na. Maganda yung texture, yung pagka-green, hindi siya dull or boring na green. And I'm sure yung ibang colors nito are equally gorgeous as well. Very functional pati handle niya. I mean with this type of handle hindi magi-slide-slide yung lamp kapag isinabit. O 'di ba ang brilliant. Speaking of design, bet na bet ko din itong pinaka-grill niya dahil walang harang dito. And because of that, na-maximize yung illumination. And of course, yan na din yung nagsisilbing stand niya and protection sa pinaka-bulb or ilaw. Unique din yung pinaka-ilaw niya. Ayan oh. And then, yung mga LEDs dito, yan yung pag tinodo mo, yung setting, iilaw yung mga yan or mag-activate na. So, they're mixing the white with the yellow output. Similar to our first lantern, dial na din siya or yung iniikot. Sa minimum setting, yellow ang output. Then, isagad mo lang if you want na mas maliwanag. Halfway this dial, mag-activate na yung mga LEDs. Then, pag sinagad pa is yun na yung pinakamaliwanag. It's really a nice output of colors. Yung una, yung yellow light has certain vibe, camping or pampatulog or chill lang na vibes, ang lakas makarelax. Yung pangalawa, yung maximum setting naman, maliwanag pero hindi siya masakit sa mata. Yung white niya, parang malamig sa mata, hindi harsh, ganun. Unlike sa nauna nating ni-review. So ayan, good feedback agad for starters. Again, in terms of aesthetic, excellent talaga. Ang sabi, waterproof IPX4 ito. Unfortunately, hindi ako sure kung pwede ito sa ulan in reality kasi nasa taas yung on and off niya. Diyan kasi ang magiging point of entry ng tubig just in case. Oh, wag tayong fanatic dyan ha. It already happened dun sa nauna nating lamp na ni-review. Pero sa sunod na natin pag-usapan yon, I'll update you na lang. At ayoko na din tong subukan in terms of that aspect kasi sayang naman especially if I know naman kung ano ang pwedeng mangyari. Anyway, hindi ko sinasabing hindi ito waterproof ha. You decide na lang based on the information na available. Anyway, Type-C na siya at meron ding charging capabilities. Kaya nitong magbigay ng about 20% sa Samsung J7 Prime ko. Pero syempre, di natin yan gagamitin for that purpose. So I guess that's about it for this vintage lamp. Obviously, puro positive tayo dito except for its waterproofing system na ayaw na nating subukan kasi nga sayang naman just in case tama tayo ng hinala. So while our duration test is running, isummarize lang natin what I thought are good things about this retro lamp. Number one dyan is yung aesthetics niya. Maganda naman talaga, oozing with retro or camping vibe. Achieve niya yon. Yung build niya talaga is premium feels, ika nga. Second is, gumagana naman siya habang charge. Of course, very useful yan in case nakalimutan mong i-charge pero kailangan mo na yung ilaw and you have a power source naman like power bank. In terms of the performance, for me, excellent din naman siya. Decent yung output and I mean, it's bright enough to lighten up the room or your camping area. Pero syempre kung gusto mo talagang sobrang liwanag, di dalawang ganito yung gamitin mo. And in terms of the duration, it meets my expectations. Mention ko na din yung stepless dimming niya na tinatawag or yung pagka-smooth nung on and off or yung adjustment ng brightness. Sa light output, very nice din kasi yung warm yellow ang sarap sa mata at very relaxing. Yung white output naman is even though malakas siya, hindi siya yung tipong harsh sa mata, parang cool white ganun. And meron siyang color variations na makakapili ka kung gaano ka-classic ang uma-appeal sa'yo.